Kanthale Lake, also known as the Kantale Tank, is one of Sri Lanka's most iconic ancient reservoirs, resting peacefully in the heart of the eastern province. Surrounded by rolling green hills, rocky outcrops, and quiet rural landscapes, the lake presents breathtaking scenery throughout the day. In the early morning, soft mist rises above the water, creating a magical atmosphere, while evenings paint the sky in shades of gold and orange as the sun dips behind the horizon. Built during the reign of ancient Sinhala kings, Kanthale Lake is a remarkable piece of engineering, symbolizing Sri Lanka's long-standing tradition of hydraulic civilization. Even today, its waters nourish vast paddy fields and support the livelihood of nearby farming communities. The lake is also a haven for wildlife. Migratory birds, water buffaloes, and sometimes even elephants wander near its banks. Whether you're stopping by on a journey through Trincomalee or exploring the eastern province in depth, Kanthale Lake offers a quiet moment of reflection, scenic beauty perfect for photography, and a deep connection to Sri Lanka's history and nature. It is a place where time slows down, inviting visitors to breathe, relax, and admire the harmony between people, water, and landscape.